Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to set up out-of-office replies in iCloud Mail. Apple's Mail app for macOS lacks the ability to set an automatic reply or out-of-office option for standard email accounts. However, there is no need to worry about it. If you use an iCloud email address, you'll be able to easily set up automatic replies via the iCloud website. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch a browser on your device and then navigate to iCloud.com. Then you have to log in using your iCloud credentials, and then you have to click on the mail icon. And then you have to click on the cog icon at the top of the mailbox's side column. And then you have to choose the settings option. After that, select auto reply aka the airplane icon. And then you have to check the box beside automatically reply to messages when they are received. And then you have to enter the dates or times that you want to auto replies to start and end. And then you have to compose your auto reply response in the message input field. After that, you have to click on the X button in the top left corner panel to finish. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily set up out-of-office replies in iCloud Mail. Once again, I would like to reiterate that this solution will only be useful to Apple users who use an iCloud email address. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, take care and have a great time.